Now here the question is, let a and b be positive real numbers such that a is greater than 1 and b is less than a. Let p be a point in the first quadrant that lies on the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals 1. Suppose the tangent to hyperbola passes through the point 1, 0 and suppose the normal to hyperbola at p cuts off equal intercept on coordinate axis. Let delta be area of triangle formed by the tangent at p, the normal at p and the x-axis. If E denotes eccentricity of hyperbola, then which of the following statements is or are true? Now let us take a point P in the first quadrant, and this point P will be A secant theta and B tan theta. Now first we will find equation of tangent at this point P. So equation of tangent is given by x secant theta upon A minus y tan theta upon b, and it is equal to 1, and it says that tangent to hyperbola passes through the point 1, 0. So we'll put x as 1 and y as 0. So we'll get secant theta equals a. So value of a is secant theta, and that's our first result. Now we'll find equation of normal at this point P. So we know that equation of normal is given by ax cos theta plus by cot theta, and it is equal to a square plus b square. Now what is slope of normal in this case? Slope of normal is minus a cos theta upon b cot theta, which is minus a sin theta upon b. Now it says normal cuts off equal intercept on coordinate axis. So that means slope of normal is minus 1. So from here we'll get a sin theta, and it is equal to b. Now a is secant theta. So this b is nothing but b is tan theta. So we have the value of b as well. Now we'll square it. We'll get b square as tan square theta, and a square is secant square theta, and we know that b square is a square into e square minus 1. So we'll get e square as 1 plus sin square theta. Now minimum value of sin square theta is 0 and maximum value of sin square theta is 1. So that means this e square, it will always be greater than 1 and less than 2. That is, value of e will always lie between 1 and root 2, and that's your option A. Now next we need to find area of triangle formed by tangent at P and normal at P. So we need to find point of intersection of tangents and normal with x-axis. So for this tangent, point of intersection with x-axis is say T, and we'll put y as 0. We'll get this as a cos theta, 0. And for this normal, if we'll put y as 0, we'll get this result as a square plus b square upon a cos theta, 0. Now we have this hyperbola, and then we have tangent and normal drawn at this point P. Now area of this triangle is half base is Tn, and Tn is a square plus b square upon a cos theta minus a cos theta into y coordinate of P, and y coordinate of P is b tan theta. Now we have already worked out secant theta is a and tan theta is b. So we'll put these values. So we'll get 1 by 2, and it is a square plus b square. Now what is a cos theta? A cos theta is 1, and this is 1, and b tan theta. B tan theta is b into b, and that is b square. Now we also know that a is secant theta and b is tan theta. So from here we can write secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So we can write a square minus b square, it is equal to 1. Or we can write a square minus 1 as b square. So we'll put a square minus 1 as b square. We'll get this as 2b square into b square upon 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. We'll get this result as b to the power 4, and that's your option D. So answer to this question is option A and D.